Hello YouTube family, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward, your ultimate destination for everything chic, classy and fashion forward. Today's episode is all about an iconic fashion piece that has graced runways, red carpets and street style scenes across the globe, the black stiletto high heel sandal. These are not just shoes, they are a symbol of sophistication, elegance, and bold femininity. We are going to explore everything you need to know about this timeless accessory, from its history and evolution to tips on how to wear them, style them, and make them your own. Let's start with the basics. The stiletto heel, known for its thin, long, and sharp appearance, has been a staple in women's fashion since the 1950s, but it's more than just a high heel. It's an exploration of power, grace, and style. The black stiletto heel sandal, in particular, is the epitome of timeless elegance. Whether it's a night out, a formal event, or even an important meeting, this piece adds a touch of class and sophistication to any outfit. Originally popularized by shoe designers like Roger Weaver and Salvatore Ferragamo, the stiletto heel first gained traction in the 1950s. This slam high design was revolutionary, offering a new sense of boldness to women's footwear. For decades, the stiletto heel has been a beloved choice of women from all walks of life, including Hollywood icons like Marilyn Monroe and Audrey Hepburn, who helped catapult stilettos into the mainstream fashion world. Fast forward to today, and the black stiletto sandal remains just as relevant as it was in its inception, if not more so. Modern designers have taken the classic silhouette and reimagined it with new materials, fresh designs, and innovative twists. From patent leather to comfortable suede and sleek stun, the black stiletto sandal is available in an endless variety of styles. Whether you prefer minimalist straps or bold statement details, there's a black stiletto sandals out there for everyone. So how exactly should you style your black stiletto high heel sandals? Let's break it down. One of the greatest advantages of black stiletto sandals is their versatility. You can pair them with virtually anything in your wardrobe and they will instantly elevate your look. If you are going for a sultry evening look, pair your stilettos with a sleek black dress, add a statement cloth, bold lipstick, and a few sparkling accessories, and you are ready for a glamorous night out. On the other hand, if you are looking to keep things more casual but still chic, you can never go wrong with a pair of skinny jeans, a well-fitted blazer, and of course your black stilettos. The heel will add just the right amount of sophistication to an otherwise laid-back look, taking you effortlessly from day to night. Now let's talk about the different styles of black stiletto sandals that are available and which ones are best suited for different occasions. First, we have the classic open toe stiletto sandals. This design is timeless and elegant, perfect for formal events like weddings, galas, or any black tie occasions. The open toe designs gives the shoe an air of delicate, while the stiletto heel adds that extra bit of height and confidence. Next, we have the platform stilettos. This option is perfect for those who want the extra height but With a bit more support and comfort, the platform adds extra stability, making them a great choice for long nights of dancing or events where you will be on your feet for hours. Do not underestimate the comfort of a well designed platform, it can make a world of difference. Then we have the ankle strap stiletto sandal. This design not only adds extra security and support but also brings a playful hilarity element to your outfit. Ankle strap stilettos look stunning with shorter dresses. A skirt or skirts has they draw attention to your legs and create a flattering silhouette. Now let's appreciate the details. The beauty of black stiletto heels lies in their craftsmanship, whether it's the delicate curve of the heel, the comfortable finishes of the leather, or the precision of the stitching. These shoes are designed to make you feel empowered and stylish. Pay close attention to the details when choosing your perfect pair. The quality of the material, the construction of the heel, and the comfort of the sole all play a role in how you feel when you wear them. Wearing stilettos, especially high ones, requires a bit of practice. So if you are new to stilettos or just want to refine your walk, here are a few tips to help you start with confidence. First, posture is everything. Keep your shoulder back, your core engaged, and take smaller deliberate steps. It's all about balance. Practice walking heel to toe and take your time. Remember, confidence comes from within, and with a little practice you will be walk like a pro in no time. Let's not forget about maintains. A good pair of black stiletto sandals is an investment, and proper care will ensure they last for years. Here are a few tips. Always store your stiletto in a dust bag or box when you are not wearing them to protect the materials. For leather heels, use a conditioner to keep the leather soft and prevent cracking. And if you have been walking a rough surface, check the heel tip regularly for wear and tear. Replace it when necessary to keep your stilettos in top shape. Accessories are key when styling your black stiletto sandals. A sleek handbag, layered necklace, or a bold statement earring can enhance your look even further. The beauty of black stilettos is that they act as a neutral canvas, allowing you to get creative with your accessories without overdoing it. Whether you are going for a minimalist vibe or a high glam look, the right accessories will take your stilettos to the next level. In the end, the black stiletto high heel sandals is more than just a shoe. It's a symbol of confidence, strength, and elegance. Whether you are stepping into an important meeting, going out for a night on the town, or simply dressing up for yourself, these heels are your trusted champion. So embrace the power of the stiletto and let your shoes do the talking. Thank you for joining us on Fashion Forward. We hope you feel inspired and ready to slap into your favorite pair of black stilettos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest fashion trends and styling tips. Let us know in the comments how you style your black stiletto heels, and share my YouTube link with family members.